everyone. We just started our monthly Irish music learner session at Powers Music School in Belmont, Massachusetts. It's going to mostly be on the second Friday of each month, schedule depending. And we're going to start each week with a 20 to 30 minute slot for learning a new tune at a learner's pace, and then playing a learner's pace session for the next hour after that. So the first tune we learned this month was the 3-part reel Limerick Lasses. And if you'd like more information about Powers Music School, this Irish music session, or just get access to the tune list for this session with more of these videos, click the link below. And here we go.